Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting power and pairing ready. Charge your Solo 4 to at least half so firmware updates and long sessions work. Then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes, which puts the headphones into pairing mode. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable so it can see the Solo 4. Once you see the Beats Solo 4 in the list, tap it to begin pairing. You'll hear a confirmation tone when connected. Once connected, you should verify the Solo 4 is selected as the audio output in your device's sound settings. This prevents apps from using a different device. Make sure to open the Beats app or your system EQ to tweak bass and treble so the headphones match your taste. You'll notice clarity and balance improve. If the Solo 4 offers spatial audio or active noise cancellation toggles, enable them and test with a sample track. To finish, run a short checklist. Play music, make a call, and press each control to confirm volume, track, and voice assistant responses work as expected. Install any firmware updates via the Beats app to fix bugs and improve connectivity. Updates often resolve dropouts. If you encounter pairing failures or audio cutouts, reset the Solo 4 by holding power together with the volume down button until the LED flashes, then repair. If problems persist, try a different device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.